美国的迄出《玉凤城市》为1998年开始放送到2004年，有真侪观众拢爱看。原著小说的作家最近就挑战百老汇一个人搬戏，重现《玉凤城市》的创作历程。伊讲，不管女性敢有情伴，拢爱独立，爱有经济能力，爱会晓欣赏家己。
Candice Bushnell. You probably know me as the OG Carrie Bradshaw.
玉凤都市作者坎蒂斯·布辛奈尔在舞台顶悬回顾创作剧中专栏作家凯莉·布雷肖甲三姐妹的历程，即马透过伊独有的趣味甲讲故事的方式，一出叫做《成功甲玉凤城市》的真实故事的单人舞台剧，看起来都亲像剧中人物凯莉的独白秀。
Hold on, I'm coming. Remember when sex was the opposite of what it is today? Number one, it was in person. It's about how I created Sex in the City. It's about my journey as really a single woman through the decades.
玉凤城市改编布辛奈尔同名作品，伊将家己甲朋友的生活点滴甲感情故事，透过四个女性角色呈现。后来 HBO 拍成影集，剧中刻画都会女性伫找找爱情甲友谊的情怀，佮找到自我的存在价值。无论生活悲喜、有伴或者是单身，女性用勇敢活落去，是主角的真实，引起观众共鸣，为影集甲电影拢造成话题。
I'm really just enormously grateful that I am able to live an independent life and to pursue, my very important message to women, which is to be independent and to be your own Mr. Big.
35岁布辛奈尔伫12年前结束10年婚姻，伊承认开互单身的日子有时阵感觉寂寞。透过线顶交友软体熟悉新朋友，进入中年，了解生命历练，会不过对爱情是毋是应该有结果放袂落。年岁愈大，伊认为应该爱要紧的代志已经爱改变。
My mother passed away from cancer before she was 70, so that's something that I think about all the time. Like you don't know. You really don't know what the future will be, but the only thing you can do is, rely on yourself to sort of do your best through it, whatever life throws at you.
玉凤城市春天按算伫 Netflix 线顶串流平台放送，外界有个会阁引起讨论热点。布辛奈尔舞台剧伫美国巡演了后，选去英国过渡期。公司新闻张淑芬评价。